everyone, this is PhD Natural Me and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about our RV furnace, which is not working again. So what we did, we looked up online to see what we can do, if there was any troubleshooting that we could do on our own. And we did find one thing, I think it said the sales switch, or I can't remember, but I will put it in the video. And so we cleaned that area, and then it also could be other things, which hopefully it's not. So just stay tuned and we'll show you what we did. Bye. We have an Atwood furnace.
Where it might take it apart. You gotta take this off too to get to that screw. There's a screw right there. I'm hoping not. Don't mix them up. I think this is a dumb design.
Does the door come off first? I mean, with it?
No. Did he glue it on it? No.
I remember them fighting getting this out before.
That's why I kept all of it. Let me get it.
Oh yeah.
That's good, I guess.
This one.
Bitch, even better. Oh yeah, let's push into that pipe right there. Dirty, dirty, dirty. See all your dirt?
Ah. Where is that?
Okay, I don't see my damn.
I forgot what it's called.
Circuit breaker. It's right here.
No, that little piece, little flange thing. I gotta go look it up. I forgot. You remember that little flap that? I'm just gonna blow it out right now.
Hold the screw with your hand.
Okay, the sales switch, that is the name of what I was trying to think of. Okay, honey, I'm gonna let go. and it's dirty. So, can you blow in there?
I am. See how much dirt we got?
Wow. Sail switch. Safety.
Huh? Oh.
Holy moly, I'm going to back up now.
Okay, put it back, Mikey. Don't, hold on. You got another rag? No. Go get another rag.
You gonna wipe this?
No.
You're gonna put it back. Oh, yeah. I'll let go. Oh, no, I'm not gonna let go.
Okay, let go.
Okay.
What if you put
So
a rag
we had
there?
a dirty sail switch. So let's see if this is going to work. Okay. We ended up putting a rag down here so the screw doesn't drop down into the bottom of the furnace cage.
You gotta press on it, don't forget.
Yeah. Too bad the joke. I want to do a bit.
Don't press too hard.
Yeah. Okay, start right there. Hear the birds.
Okay, go try it again. Turn it off.
Okay.
Now, what was the next step?
The panel.
We don't have a panel.
That looks a little complicated.
No. You gotta squeeze those in and take them out. You gotta squeeze these in.
Squeeze what in? Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Squeeze.
Okay, well, we blew off and cleaned off the sail switch, and that still did not turn on the furnace. This furnace is less than a year old, so what we are going to do is take it back in. The thing is, where we purchased it, the place went out of business. But the company should still, stand by their equipment. So we shall see, and I will let you know on the next video. Bye. Actually, I want to come back. I don't know if anybody watches Camper Van Kevin. If you don't, check his channel out. It's absolutely awesome. But what he was saying is, don't let problems or RV problems or issues with the RV stop you from full-time RVing. There's always going to be something that breaks down. If anybody tells you that you purchased an RV and it's perfect and you have no issues, they are lying. There's always something with an RV, but it's how you deal with it. We did all that we could do, and now we are going to take it to someone else. You get it fixed and you keep moving forward. That's all you can do. I guess that's kind of like in life. I got to take my own advice. Bye.